Welcome to the brief tutorial on getting registered into MMCC's new OneStop portal. Once registered, you will be able to access and manage all of your documents in a central location. Today, I'm going to walk you through the registration process. If you'd like more detailed information, I'll share additional resources available at the end of this tutorial. The first step in the registration process is accessing the OneStop portal. I've highlighted a hyperlink to that portal if you'd like to get registered during this tutorial. Once on the portal, complete the required fields and click Register. An email will be generated immediately to the email address provided. You'll need to verify that account before moving to the next step. I verified my account via email, and now my name appears in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. So my next step is claiming the record. You'll see here, when I click on the drop-down menu by my name, I'm given a few options. I'm going to select Claim Record for the appropriate business. For those of you who own multiple businesses, you will need to create a new entity for each business. In this example, I'm going to select my grower business. I've clicked on Select an Entity to create the entity for this license, and I've given it a name in the system. Now I have the ability to claim the record for this license and view it in OneStop. Before I'm able to view this business license, though, I'll need to switch accounts. It's important to note that OneStop will automatically log you into your personal account, so you will need to switch to your entity account to view your business. I've switched to my entity account, and now I see my business license. I see my license number, I see my license status and my expiration date. I see the primary contact associated with my license. And I see all the actions that are available to me as a license holder. There will be a separate tutorial on new agent applications. Additional resources available include our MMCC Bureau of Enforcement and Compliance investigators. MMCC website includes written instructions if you want more detailed instructions about OneStop. And then if you need technical support or assistance, please email onestop.mmcc@maryland.gov. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it's helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions.